Hey, you guys, Kim reached out to me and said it was a little confusing how to do this. So I thought I'd just show you real fast. Okay, so here's Elizabeth Smart. So if you notice, it plays automatically right when it starts. It was not a live video. It was a cut and paste. If I put in a YouTube link, it will not play. People have to click on it. So here's what I wrote, and you can see it has 6 comments and 37 shares. And if I click on it, you can see, where does it show how many views it has? Anyway, it has over 1,000 views. I don't know why it's not coming up. So I sent you an email, and in the email, it has the Elizabeth Smart link right here. So you take that. Mine's probably going to open, but you want to download it, and that's where you download it at. So you click that, and then it will download to your computer down here on the left-hand side. There we go. So now when I open it.
Best feeling.
Okay. Oh, you know what? It's already saved to the computer. I am bad. Okay. So what you're going to do now is you're going to go on your Facebook page, and I'm going to go back out. And you have to do this on your computer. I don't know how to do it on your phone. You click on what's on your mind, and then you click on the photo icon. So I can show you how to do this. I'm just going to do only me. So click on the photo icon, and then I'm going to go to this PC, and I'm going to go to downloads. And you can see it's right here at the top, Elizabeth Smart. So I download that and I open it. Facebook's going to put it right there. I then type in whatever I'm going to type in. This is Elizabeth Smart. Love her mom's sage advice. This is worth 2 minutes, whatever you want to say. And then you're going to post it. And after you post it and it gets done, which it will take a moment, and I keep looking over there because that's where my picture is. It's posting. So once that's done posting, then I'm going to take the link I gave you in here for the actual full YouTube video, so people can watch the whole thing if they want to. It's very inspiring. You copy it. And I did that by highlighting it with my left finger on the mouse, and then I right click it for copy. And then I go back here to Facebook. It's posted. Let me refresh. So, oh, it didn't post yet. It's still working on it. There it is. And then I go here to the comments, and I'm going to paste the full video in the comments, and look how it populates right here. There you go. So they can watch the whole thing. And that's what I did, which gave me a lot of credentials inside of Facebook to help push it forward. All right. If you have any questions, reach out.